In this video, we will see how to use the DATEPART function in Tableau. So for that, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So for using this function, we have to create one calculation field. Name it as DATEPART. Then I click on here on the drop down and select date. So here we can see one function DATEPART. I'll just click here and then I'll type date and select DATEPART. So we can see here in the it is also showing the syntax of this function, which is one is the date part and second is date and the third is start of the week. So date part, right here I'll use the date part as a month and I'll take the date as the order date. So what it actually does, it will this function, which is date part, returns the integer according to the which date part I have used. So in this case I have used the month, so it will return the integer according to the what month in the particular date. So after that I click on apply. Okay. After that you just first take the order date and drop it down to the row cell and set the field as a exact date and then convert this field into the discrete and then take the date part field that we have just created and put it onto the label. So as you can see here on the marks card, our date part field shows it is shows as a sum. So for that I'll just click on the drop down and then here I'll go to the measures and select average. So now we can see here on our table it will show the integer which is actually the month. So we can see here in the order date. So up to till here it is showing up to till 31st January 2014 it is showing 1. So which is basically January, and if we scroll down below the value changed to the 2, which is showing the February month. So this is how we can use the DATEPART function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.